Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of Mbadiwe.com. Today I have another software, amazing one from Mbadiwe, and this one is called Fusion. And in a nutshell, this one is the world's first two-in-one Instagram and Threads AI app that makes the creator Mbadiwe $688 per day on AutoPilot. That means it's an automation system mostly done for you, that you are going to actually get how you can post reels on Instagram, which is done by AI. Also create amazing contents and ideas from this very one, and also be able to post it automatically from the very dashboard of this amazing instrument. I mean, Instagram is one of the biggest platforms you have out there, and when you are successful on Instagram, definitely you will be successful financially. That is exactly what this one is going to do for you. Make it easier for you to get content shown out there, and also get of course people to actually see your content, and from there you definitely get the traffic you need for any other strategies you have embedded with this system, which is going to translate into making money from you. It's a crazy one. It's going live today, the 8th of July 2023 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. My name is Mike Mbadiwe of the Mbadiwe.com. I do these reviews every other day to bring products that are going to help you make money online, because that is the essence of my reviewing product. And if you are new to my channel, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. Now, this is exactly how we are going to go with this very review. If you stick with me, I will take you through the members area, the actual dashboard area of this very software, where you are going to watch exactly how this one is going to work in action, and then of course go through the training here. And I will, at the end of this very review, reveal to you the mega bonuses that I have for you for Fusion, which is going to be blowing your mind. About 10 of them here, and they are all training courses, ebooks, chatbots, mastery, and every other thing you want, as long as making money and getting good content online is concerned. This is exactly what I'm going to give you. Now let's take a little look at the very sales page. This is what Mbadiwe, my friend, says. He says that this, at any time you decide to buy this product, before I continue, that first link below in my description area is going to bring you exactly to this very sales page, where you are going to read with me right now, you know, a very few words, so that we can leave the rest of it to you when you arrive here. He said it's going to be the world's first two-in-one Instagram plus Threads AI app that makes you up to $688 on AutoPilot, and you don't need any special technical skills, manual work, or existing followers to actually get things done with this very instrument. And of course, he is saying that you will be able to get this product during this launch at a very cheap price, and there is of course a discount of a certain amount that will eventually give you one-time payment for $9.95. So it's amazing what Mbadiwe has been able to put here to help Instagram users, instead of wasting time researching keywords, researching niche, and thinking of creative ideas and all that. The AI does that with just simple keyword that you're going to input there, and I believe it has prompts that will help you also get your best ideas out there, and the AI will definitely do the rest of the job for you, so that you can use your time to hang around with your family and do the things you like, so that's why I like this one. Okay, so these are some of the amazing proofs of income that Billy had. This is a guy that has raised over $9.5 million digital marketing online, and you can imagine he has been able to help endless folks attain freedom, and he lives relatively in the UK, and you can see how simple his face is. In any case, that's exactly what this is all about, and I'm excited to bring this. He is a creator of Zeta. Zeta got me a lot of positive feedbacks, and since then I decided that Mbadiwe is a guy that I will always promote, and this is exactly why I'm doing this. So at your convenience, when you arrive here, you are going to be able to see some of these things for yourselves, read through, and see the general idea behind this amazing product, which is how to actually create automated AI applications, Instagram reels, content, images, anything. I tried it on the dashboard area and it worked perfectly well for me, and I guess that is how it's going to work for you as well. So I will leave this for you to actually do when you come here, so that we have time to make this one as very short as possible. And at any time you arrive here, when you click that first link in my description area, believe me, you are going to find a link that is going to give you access to this very Fusion product, and you'll be able to buy a copy here with this very discount during the launch. I think you will have that if you are an early bird for this product, you'll be able to have it at that price. So you run as soon as it's launched, 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're talking about the New York time, okay? So, and of course you can, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, that's New York time, which is 5 p.m. my time in Europe. And so that's what you have here. Now let us see the very dashboard area. This is where you are going to get access to the training, which is going to give you a training on how this is applied, and you can set this up very easy. And now you have the button for the operates, and now you have the integration with Meta, which is basically the owners of Instagram, and this is how you integrate it so that your message is synchronized, and also you can create a thread using this very link. And also let's go to one interesting thing that I want. This is the Instagram caption area of this very software. All you need to do is to, let's say for example, my journey as an astronaut. All you do is to submit, and it's going to actually do the magic. The only thing I am actually noticing is that okay, let's see how to create products. This is my keyword, and then you can submit with this keyword, and it's going to do the magic to actually bring something out for you in the area of creating all the campaign Instagram captions that you need. Unlock the secret formula of product creation. Let your imagination run wild and brainstorm ideas that solve real problems. Research, dive deep into market analysis to understand your target audience and competition. So these are all the captions that you can add on your Instagram reels or on the contents you create with this application, so that you stand out there. Okay, so that's about the caption you need, which is what attracts anybody who is going through your thumbnail. He is captivated with the very keyword that you have there, and that will arouse interest, and that will definitely get you traffic that you need. Now this is the Instagram image, how to create Instagram image by just simple keyword that will bring you access to amazing results. Now let's see a cat on a window. Okay, let's say a cat on a window with this dimension and of course in 3 variations, and you click generate result. Let's see what is going to come out if a cat on a window is going to actually show up, because I believe the AI is doing the magic behind the scenes, and this is exactly what you have. 3 different positions of a cat on a window: image 1, image 2, image 3. So you got it there. You got it there. So now let's see the Instagram video area of this magical instrument, Fusion, and you can always say something about the video you want, music and dancing. Okay, so let's see if we can create that video by selecting the option, in a landscape or square. Let's go for a portrait, and then you have here the resolution you want, 720 by 1280, and then you have also select effect, what kind of effect you want. Let's see, you have not flaming, no. Let's say you have no effect actually, or you can choose any kind of effect for butterfly. Okay, now you have this very audio mode. Audio mode should be okay, inspirational. I like that word, inspirational. And then look at the audio. You can choose from the list of audios here, and you can import your own as well. So but now let's see if we can select any of these ones. Future glider. Okay, all right. Or if you don't want any of these you can import your own music from this very button by choosing a file in your computer. And then now what you do, you click generate result. It's definitely going to go to work by the AI to bring you out something that will look very much like a video that has to do with the keyword that we actually input in this one, which is music and dancing, as you can see. So you can see it's taking a little time. I don't know if it's because of my connection or because of the product itself. And these are some of the things that I am noticing, but at the end of the day, it does the job like I have seen before. It is taking time to actually do this. I want to believe that it has to do with my system or my connection. Otherwise, it's taking longer time than it should for the AI to churn out a video using that very keyword, music and dancing, and under this resolution with an effect of butterfly. I think it has done something. So now what do we do if we have been able to generate something? So now this is what it has been able to do about dancing. What do you do? So now what you do is to download it. You can see it is here already. Check in folder so that you see if we have something there to actually play for you. Okay, so show in shoulder and now this is it, I guess. Video 1. Okay, this is exactly what we have. So let's we'll see if it is going to be for you. Okay, now look at it. You can see, these are just pictures. They are not actually dancing. Okay, so in any case, it did some of the jobs, and that is exactly what you need to post on Instagram for how many seconds? I think, I don't know, thereabouts 7 seconds or 10 seconds thereabouts, and that's exactly what you have there. Okay, so that's the job of the Instagram video, and here you can produce your hashtags by actually putting a very keyword that you inspire, like let's say digital marketing. Okay, and you can submit this and see if it's going to give you hashtags that you need. You can see it is loaded with hashtags that you can choose from: digital marketing, hashtag marketing strategy, social media marketing, online marketing, content marketing, digital strategy, marketing tips. I mean, it goes on, and these are amazing hashtags that you can include in any video that is produced with this very instrument, Fusion. And you can see you have everything, and here you have the ability to create your reels and story maker. By clicking this link, it will take you to another window, and you'll be able to see how you can do all of that. So that is in a nutshell what this very dashboard area, members area, looks like. But for now, we have to take a look at the pricing for this product. The front end goes for $17, and you have it access to this very dashboard area. And then you have also the Fusion upsell number 1, which is the unlimited edition, goes for $197. That's the unlimited edition of Fusion allows customers to enjoy unlimited usage and unlimited free traffic and more. And you have done for you Fusion setup, and that goes for $297, and that's upsell number 2. Upsell number 3 will be $39. That is the AutoPilot edition. Upsell number 4, Fusion, $200 done for you campaigns, goes for $39. They do it for you, done for you, your campaigns. And of course, you have your affiliate links embedded that will make money for you. Upsell number 5 is the franchise edition, goes for $197. And that's about what you have as the pricing for this one, which you are going to find a sales page or point of purchase when you are about to actually buy this product. You see all this. And now let's see the crazy mega bonuses that I have for you. You have number 1 as the ultimate multi-level marketing secrets, which is going to come for you through these links, and I will give you access to this in my Warrior Plus account. When you purchase this product, under your purchase history, you will definitely find a page that will give you access to Fusion, and the blue one there will give you access to the amazing bonuses. Number 2 is going to be list building expert. You know what that means? Making money on demand with a large list that you have. Internet marketing fast starts. That number 3. Number 4 is affiliate marketing secrets. Number 5 is starting the bigger email list ebook. And you have chatbot marketing mastery. And you have building the perfect sales funnel, which is crazily important. You have blogging for profit. You have email list building blueprint. You also have the copywriting crackdown, which will help you actually get the ideas you need to use on the ChatGPT to actually make money online. And with this very one, we are going to come to the very end of this very review. I will encourage you to do not hesitate to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and use the bell icon for notifications. And I will come back to you in my next review. I remain your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, guys. From me, from here, it's goodbye.